My op-ed is on age discrimination in the workplace. And you might ask, why is that a problem to you? The reason why it's a problem is because I've seen it happen and it bothers me because I don't think someone should be turned down from a job because of their age. If they're not qualified, yes, but not because of their age. And another reason why it's important to me is because the retirement age continues to climb. And as that happens, when I get to the age where I'm going to retire, um, which will be a long time from now, and it might be later than what I even think. And a survey done by the AARP actually determined that 22% of the respondents aged 45 to 54 and 27% of the respondents aged 55 to 64 have postponed their plans to retire, which makes me think that it's going to take me even longer to retire. And you never know what's going to happen in that time. Might have to get another job. My job might get eliminated. You never know. And if that happens, then my age just, might be a disadvantage for me when I go to look for a new job, or I need one when I'm that old. Who knows what the circumstances will be. Um, and age discrimination in the workplace is also a problem that needs to be addressed more by sociologists because there is some research done, but there needs to be a lot more done to show how big of a problem that it really is. Um, and one way that the problem is shown is by the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. Each year, they're getting about 15 to 20,000 claims of age discrimination. And I have a graph here that shows this, which this graph actually shows more claims of age discrimination, which is, makes the problem even worse. And the problem with all these claims is that not many are getting resolved. Actually, only 4% are even getting looked at, and 1% of those are actually resolved. Um, Another problem with age discrimination in the workplace is stereotypes. There's so many stereotypes out there that older people are senile, they're unable to learn new things, they're unproductive, they're slow, um, when in fact that might not even be the case, or it's not. It's just a stereotype. But people just think that. Um, and another problem with age discrimination in workplaces is it's hard to file a claim. You only have 180 days to do this, and that might not even be enough time. And then if the claim is closed, you only have 90 days to file a lawsuit, which for some people, a lot of people, it's hard to come up with the money to pay an attorney in order to correct this if they made a mistake in the first place. So that's very unfair. And I just think that there could be so much more done to correct this problem. And one way that the problem can be corrected is through laws. In the United States, laws are continued to change every year, every day they change. So why can't we create more laws to prevent against age discrimination? Also, um, older adults sometimes think that age is a disadvantage. Well, maybe they can use it as an advantage because they could say that they've been there, done that. And employers are a big part of it. They need to look again at the applicant and think maybe, what, they can help me out more than I think. And also, using the internet can help find jobs more than anything. And I don't know if a lot of people use the internet, which especially older people, so that could be a problem. But overall, this problem needs to be solved, and more needs to be done. There needs to be more outreach, and it can be fixed. Age discrimination in the workplace can be fixed.